Dr. Sunanda Kapoor ma'am.
Namaskar. Thank you so much, Mr. Patwari, Anil Watkarji, and entire organizing committee. Thank you so much for such a warm welcome and a very hearty evening to all the eminent personalities present here. Today's topic is that developing communication skills to be an effective teacher. My first question, like, what are communication skills? What are communication skills? Why do we use communication and what is it? What it is? Can anyone please help me knowing this? Please participate as much as possible, then only it will become fun. What is communication? Why are we doing this? What do you mean by communication? Anyone can please do that.
Our speech, ma'am.
Definitely.
Our words.
Definitely.
Our expressions.
Thank you so much for participating, first of all. Definitely, communication is our speech, our expressions, our words, like Worthy ma'am has just mentioned. So communication is expression. We are expressing ourselves. We are trying to deliver something. We are trying to convey a message to the people sitting in front of us, right? The audiences who are listening to us, who are reading. And how can we communicate? Anyone else, please? How can we communicate? Anything? How can we communicate?
Ma'am, we communicate using the words, sentences, or either in the form of the pictures or body gestures sometimes.
Definitely, sir. Absolutely correct. We communicate either by writing or by speaking. But my point is that communication, I don't think, just a minute. Okay. I don't think that communication is only writing or speaking. Communication is comprising of LSRW. Anyone of English teacher would be sitting here, would understand the point. What am I saying? It's listening, speaking, writing, and reading. Whatever we are speaking, the other person has to listen to it. Whatever we are writing, the other person has to read it, right? So this is what communication skills are all about. Today, we'll be understanding what is the importance, what is the remedy to have a great communication skills, and then only we'll be moving ahead with the strategies, right? So now we are clear with the concept communication. What is communication? Communication is a two-way process where we want to deliver something and people are grasping whatever we are trying to communicate, right? Now, why is it important? And what are the components? The point is, what are the components? We have just discussed that listening, speaking, reading, and writing, all four are the components, right? If suppose your principal, sir, what the Dr. Becker has called you and wanting to deliver something, wanting to convey a message to all the staff members, and all the staff members are listening to it, right? Suppose if Mr. Becker has asked, Dr. Becker has asked, Sunanda ma'am, is your work done? And Sunanda ma'am has heard it. Sunanda ma'am has understood it in a different manner, right? I did not get the proper intent of the speaker, वर्दी डॉक्टर बेकर, मैं नहीं समझ पाई कि वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. उन्होंने कुछ कहा, मैंने समझा, मैंने इंटरप्रिटेशन दी और मैंने रिस्पॉन्ड किया, राइट? सो कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल अबाउट लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड रिस्पॉन्डिंग. Can you see it on the screen, everyone? Listening, whatever the speaker is saying, we are listening to it. But how we are understanding, that is more important. Right? How we are understanding. If suppose anyone, any HOD in our colleges, in our schools, any HOD is asking the team members, haven't you done this work? If we have heard it, we have understood it in a wrong manner, we have interpreted it in a wrong manner, we will definitely respond in an angry manner. That how am I supposed to be respected? Why am I not being respected in the organization? We'll definitely change our perspectives. So this is how communication comes the role for, listening, whatever the speaker wants to say, we are listening to it. Understanding, we are giving meaning to those words which we have just heard. And responding, after interpretation, we are responding. So this is what communication comprises of. It can be direct, it can be indirect verbal, or it can be non-verbal at all. We all love watching Mr. Bean. Who all have seen Mr. Bean? Could you please share? Because I cannot see you all here. I am with my screen only. So you have to just speak, unmute and speak. Do you remember any non-verbal communication cartoons or movies we used to see? Mr. Bean or Charlie Chaplin? We used to watch that, but we still used to enjoy. Kuch to baat hogi. Direct. Sir has asked, Sunanda ma'am, haven't you done your work? All right. Or this is direct. Or sir has asked, you could have done it ma'am earlier. So the intent was sir wanted to scold ma'am that why haven't you done this? But sir has used the indirect verbal communication. So without wasting much of the time, we are moving on to the next slide, of course. But I would like to share, ऐसा कितनों के साथ होता है कि कई बारी हम कोई चीज मैनेजमेंट के पास जाते हैं, प्रिंसिपल्स को बोलते हैं, and वो impact नहीं आता. But same चीज, when our colleagues go and say, they admit to it. It happens. It happens as a teacher fraternity, community. I understand. It happens that whenever we go to the management, at times our suggestion, our thoughts are not valued, whereas others are saying the similar thing, they are valued. And we start blaming. But this is not right. It is not their fault. It is our fault. We are not able to communicate properly that what exactly we want to do. We know what to say. We don't know when, how to say. That articulation is missing. So today we will be doing that articulation. So just now we have known about the listening skills, understanding and responding, right? So whenever somebody is telling you something, we will be listening, not only just listen, not only we'll be listening to just reply. We'll be listening, we'll be taking those words inside, we'll be giving meaning to what is being said. Then we'll be interpreting and responding. So this is what I have just shared with you. Okay, now is your turn, right? I am not going to say anything. This is a beautiful activity. I would request all the teachers to please participate. All the worthy teachers, please let me know what all are the ingredients whenever you make a dish. We'll consider communication is a dish and we want to make it as delicious as possible. Then how is it possible to make that dish delicious? We need to put some special ingredients, of course. So what are those special ingredients? Can anyone share their thought process? What do you think about the ingredients? क्या हो सकता है? क्या ऐसा डालूं मैं अपनी कम्युनिकेशन में जो काफी मीनिंगफुल हो जाए, डॉक्टर बैठकर जल्दी से बात मान जाए आपकी, ऐसा क्या करें? Yes, please, anyone? Anyone?
Yes,
please.
madam. Madam, please ask again.
Yes, all right. I was asking that we have to prepare one dish. The communication is a dish and that dish needs some special ingredients. So what exactly we have to put? What are those special dry fruits, some special ingredients to make our communication meaningful so that we can convince principal sir for something? Please, anyone?
That dish,
Yes, ma'am?
that dish is very delicious like that,
Yes.
The feelings
It
comes in
has
the
to
mind.
be delicious, no? Otherwise, nobody would love to eat that. Ma'am, you were saying something, please.
It should be soft.
It should be soft. All right. Very good, ma'am. Very nice. It should be soft. Okay. It should be soft spoken. Very nice. Anyone else? Anything coming in your mind?
Positive attitude.
Gestures.
Very
Gestures,
good.
ma'am.
Positive attitude, gestures. Very nice. You all are so, you see, we all are teachers. We all know what exactly the thing is to be. क्या ingredients पकने चाहिए वो हमें सबको पता है, but कई बार हम भूल जाते हैं बोलते टाइम.
Clarity.
Exactly. What is your name, ma'am?
Anjali, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Anjali, I guess you are art teacher. I saw you joining, right?
Yes, yes.
Exactly. The art teachers, the creative background teachers would only know about it. Absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. That clarity. You know, one ingredient I could comprise of this clarity. Clarity नहीं है आपकी बात में, आपके बच्चे आपकी बात तो समझने वाले नहीं हैं. फिर
Hello,
principal को तो भूल ही
good
जाएं
evening.
हम.
And
Yes.
with
Anyone else? Humor.
With the
Okay.
more humor also.
All right. Very good. Very nice, sir. Humor. Absolutely. Wait, definitely. I would come to that point. Humor. Yes. Anything else? Please think. Put on your thinking caps and just participate. कोई prize थोड़ी है. करो. This is what communication is. Speak freely. Anything. चलिए कोई बात नहीं. I will start that. See, just now Anjali ma'am mentioned one ingredient. There are 5 ingredients in my bag, you know. So one is the clarity, of course.
Ma'am,
Whenever you're
confidence.
okay, thank you so much, ma'am. That confidence, very nice. Thank you so much. That clarity, just now ma'am mentioned about clarity. That whenever we are delivering a speech, अगर आज मैं ये स्पीच दे रही हूँ, मैं आपको कुछ बता रही हूँ और मेरी बातों में कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है, would you take interest? Would you just say, okay, Bedkar sir has organized this webinar, we have to attend as teachers, this is compulsory, for 1 hour we have to sit, okay, let's pass this 1 hour, simultaneously we will do something else. So if we have to make it interesting, we have to have the clarity. You have to have the LOs, learning outcomes, whenever you plan a lesson plan before going to your classroom. You have that clarity in your mind that what exactly the objective is, what exactly you want your child to understand. That clarity is very important. Okay, the next one, somebody said confidence, humor. So I would take it and I would give them a name. Yes, anyone? Okay, I would give them a name. I would say context. What context we are going to talk about, right? हमें पता होना चाहिए कि किस कैटेगरी को हम डील करने वाले हैं. हमारा कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है, उस कॉन्टेक्स्ट पे बात हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है, right? Plus brevity. Suppose brevity is the time, you know, time limitation. If you are called in the principal's office, sir has asked you to give some explanation. Sir has only 10 minutes and then sir has another meeting with organizing committee and management committee and then you have to explain in 10 minutes. So in those 10 minutes, if you will not be able to clear the purpose of being there, your goal is not achieved. Your communications are failed. But whereas if you will be able to communicate that what exactly, why couldn't you do this or why, whatever the explanation may be. आप सबने देखी होगी ओम जय जगदीश मूवी, राइट? उसमें 100 सेकंड वो बंदा बोलता है कि बताओ भाई 100 सेकंड है तुम्हारे पास, जल्दी से बताओ, how will you stop that hacking? And those 100 seconds, initially he was like, okay sir, I am a very big fan of yours and I have been watching you throughout, I have been your an inspiration, and 100 seconds are gone. So those time span is limited. So brevity always comes with a higher order thinking skills, you know, it always comes with seniority. It always comes with senior people, right? You all are very senior to me. You all are very worthy, professors, doctors. and I am given only 1 hour. So if I will not be delivering whatever I have prepared or thought of transferring to you, my goal is not achieved. So that is very important. Plus, clarity हो गई, confidence भी हो गया, context भी हो गया, brevity भी हो गई. Now, अगर मेरी आज की स्पीच आपको थोड़ी सी भी नहीं याद रहेगी, तो फिर तो ये इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं है, फिर तो ये कम्युनिकेशन की वर्कशॉप ही बेकार है. बट आई एम श्योर कि आप याद रखेंगे, क्योंकि बोरिंग नहीं है ये. I know I have prepared that ways. So the point is that we have to have such communication which is very impactful, which can create an impact to the audience, and what values we are giving. So this is what our next slide says. You can have a look at it quickly. So clarity, brevity, context, value, and impact. आपने अपने ऑडियंसेस को डिवाइड करना है. बच्चों के पास जा रहे हैं तो कैसी स्पीच चाहिए, ब्रेविटी, सीनियर्स के पास जा रहे हैं तो कैसी कम्युनिकेशन होनी चाहिए. अच्छा, आप सबने खिचड़ी तो देखा है, खिचड़ी सीरियल किसने किसने देखा है? Who all have seen Khichdi? Babuji and Praful. Please participate. It looks like it is like a monologue. Please do participate, everyone. Yes. Who all have seen Khichdi? Am I audible? Am I audible? Because nobody is responding.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. So now you please only tell, have you seen Khichdi?
No, ma'am, I
You have
don't
not
watch
seen.
TV too much.
All right, you have not seen Khichdi. Okay. Khichdi is a comedy show, right? Wherein there is a Babuji, and that Babuji has a son named Praful. So Babuji ने Praful को बोला, Praful मेरा फोन चार्जर पर लगा दो. Praful बड़ा समझदार, Praful ने गया और चार्जर पर फोन लगा दिया. पर चार्जर पर फोन लगा दिया, 2 घंटे बाद भी बाबूजी को 5% बैटरी मिली. क्यों? क्योंकि चार्जर का बटन तो ऑन ही नहीं किया था. सो क्लैरिटी तो थी नहीं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स में. So this is what is required with your classroom, with your communication, with your life, कहीं पर भी, as parents, as teachers, as human beings, wherever you are communicating. Now, moving on to next slides to know about how would you increase. ये तो ingredients पता लग गए. Now we'll be moving on to the next slide, talking about the strategies to improve your communication skills. Let's move on to the next slide. Oh, this is something really, really nice and my favorite, and I'm sure आप सब भी enjoy करने वाले हैं इसको बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा. सबसे पहले तो I would request all the teachers to start watching movies which model communication skills. The teacher who has just mentioned that she does not watch TV, ma'am, what is your name? What is your name, ma'am?
Anjali, ma'am.
Okay, Anjali again. All right, Anjali, ma'am. So, Anjali, ma'am, start watching movies. That's what I would recommend. Start watching movies. I will just show you one beautiful link. I would request you to please listen now. Listen to it, everyone. So this movie, I'm sure all of you must have seen this movie, this PK. Nobody can say that, ma'am, we have not seen. If you have not seen, then please do watch it, right? Because this movie, in the jail, Amir Khan is telling Anushka Kohli now, acha. Acha is one word, acha, right? But that acha is used at different places when you'll say, oh, I'm good, I'm good. It is not impactful. When will you say, I'm good? It looks nice. Acha, 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 acha. So that acha, one acha spelling is also same. There is no no rocket science, only acha. But that acha, the way you are speaking, the way you are communicating makes a difference. It makes a difference, right? I will show you one more video and I'm sure आवाज आपको नहीं आएगी because I'm not very pro with this, but you will be recognizing that scene very nicely. Please have a look at it. So there is no point. You have understood what I wanted to show it to you. Three Idiots. This is a movie. A college student is asking the professor. The professor asked, what is machine? And then college student said, machine is everything which is reducing human effort. That is machine. But the professor wanted bookish language. Like we all want all perfect students. And then one other student has said all the complete definition, whatever is mentioned in the book. But the other round way, teacher asked Amir Khan to get out. Teacher asked, get out. बाहर गए. Amir Khan वापस आया. सर मैं कुछ भूल गया. क्या भूले आप? Amir Khan has given a big definition for the books. Analyze, synthesize, evaluate, this, that, blah, blah. And the teacher said, कहना क्या चाहते हो? अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो? तो Amir Khan said, sir, books रह गई थी मेरी. So भाई books तो sir, professor himself said, सीधे सीधे क्यों नहीं बताया? भाई सीधे सीधे ही तो आप बताते तो फिर वो समझता. तो सीधा सीधा, if you know the audience want सीधा सीधा language, then use only सीधा सीधा language. Why to complicate it? You are going in a village, delivering something, delivering a lecture, delivering something, you are teaching something to the students and you want your Oxford to come into it. You want all the vocabulary to come into it and they are not understanding anything. What is the point? My point is that if you are in your classroom and you want to deliver a lecture, then that lecture is to be so impactful, so influential that all the students become your friends. All of them should wait for your lecture. Hitchki movie. So where is Anjali ma'am? Anjali ma'am, today onward you'll be watching your TV.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
the movies, those movies which are really relevant for teachers, watch those. Inside Out, that is a cartoon movie. I watched it with my son when he was young. Now he's in class 10th. I watched it. So all those movies, it is an emotions movie. The people are talking through emotions. That we need to understand. Chalk and Duster, Hitchki, all those movies are for teachers. They are meant for teachers. Do what? Listen to them. Look at their body language. Deliver सीधा सीधा lecture. No. सीधी सीधी बात बोलिए, देखिए डॉक्टर बैठकर कैसे नहीं मानेंगे, बताइए जाकर. Why to complicate things? You all are so learned. There is no doubt about it. That is why you all are recruited by Sri Kumaraswamy Mahavidyalaya. You all are so learned. Nobody is doubting on that. But the teacher is learned, वो तभी पता चलता है जब उसका output आता है. आपके पास तो है 10 डिग्री और output है 0, then what is the point? I am not doctor. But I know that whatever I'm saying today, you will understand that. My output is achieved. I'm okay with that. I'm okay. So moving on to the next slide. Moving on to the next slide. Okay. Active listening. Now, active listening. इससे क्या मतलब है भाई? सुनंदा मैम, इससे क्या मतलब है आपका? क्या चाह रही हैं आप? Active listening. Who wants to tell this, please? मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं बताना है. Yes, Mr. Ugade. Yes, please.
Proper attentions. Listen with proper attentions.
Ma'am,
All
when
right.
we understand the things.
All right. Thank you, Anjali ma'am. Thank you, Prashant sir. I want somebody else to answer. उगाड़े सर, आप तो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी में ही हैं, कल आपको सुनी थी मैं, तो आप नहीं बताइए, अंजलि मैम ने भी बहुत बता दिया. नाउ एनीबडी एल्स, प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट. ना, दिस इज द कम्युनिकेशन वर्कशॉप. मिस्टर वाडकर, आप बताइए. चलिए, कोई बात नहीं, आपने हमें इनवाइट किया, बट आप ही बता दीजिए, आप दिख रहे हैं मुझे अभी. एक्टिव लिसनिंग. सी,
He
मैं
must
बता.
perfect the subject. He
Thank
must
you
be
so
perfect the
much.
subject as a art.
Okay.
As
Thank
an
you so
art.
much. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, sir, for such great words. Very nicely said. Active listening means if the speaker is telling you something, you need to listen, you need to understand in the right way. Not only to listen to reply, listen to understand. Right? It's not always we listen to reply. You know, at times silence is the only answer. We self-analyze, we analyze, we evaluate.
हेलो मैडम.
And then, yes sir, yes Mr. Sheikh.
हाँ, मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अच्छा लिसनर वही है जो सामने वाले की बात को समझ सकता है. जो अच्छा लिसनर होता है वही उसका पक्का दोस्त होता है. जो सुनता नहीं उसके पास कोई नहीं
Absolutely.
जाता.
बिल्कुल सही कहा शेख साहब आपने, बिल्कुल आप ठीक कह रहे हैं. मेरी अगली लाइन ये है, जो अच्छा लिसनर है, the अच्छा listener will only create that conducive environment which will give you ease to communicate, which will give you ease to express yourself. अगर आप अपने को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाओगे, डरते रहोगे कि सामने वाले स्पीकर को कैसा लगेगा, तो फिर तो वो स्पीकर भी अच्छा नहीं है और लिसनर भी अच्छा नहीं है. So, communication is speaking as well as listening. Both are involved. If I'm not listening to you, whatever you want to say, I'm just delivering my speech, I know everything. Then what is the point? I have no communication skills then. I want to listen. Because somebody has rightly said, when we speak, we only speak what we already know. When we listen, we know when we don't know. We might get to know something different. अभी शेख साहब ने बिल्कुल सही कहा, a good listener is a good learner. उनका इंटेंट यही है. If you are a good listener, you will be able to understand what your child wants to say in the class. बच्चा कहना चाहता है कि उसने काम क्यों नहीं किया. अगेन मैं 3 इडियट्स को ले आती हूँ बीच में. 3 इडियट्स में एक बच्चा प्रोजेक्ट नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाया, एंड Professor, the Dean, Baman Irani, was not accepting, was not listening to it, and threw the project in the dustbin. The child committed suicide. So if you are not listening to it properly, not understanding, not empathizing with the person, you will not be able to communicate and get what exactly you want. Right? So active listening is another ingredient. I would say, I would request all the worthy team members sitting here to be an active listener now. If you want to improve your communication skills, watch movies that model communication, be active listeners. Audio books सुनिए आप. आजकल तो बच्चों की भागवत गीता and all those books are available. Audio books. Whenever you are traveling, आप कान में तो लगा ही सकते हैं ना. आप कान में लगाइए अपने एयरडोप्स, ईयरफोन्स और ऑडियो बुक सुनिए. अपने कॉलेज की बुक सुनिए. Who's stopping you? आप सुनिए. We know that when we were kids, हम books पढ़ते थे. You know, I was a UPSC aspirant. So when I was doing UPSC, I used to read Hindu newspaper. Every day my task was, my institute used to tell me to read Hindu newspaper every day. I used to eat the news actually. Now I don't have time. I listen to the news. Right? I listen. So listening also helps. Listen to all those movies, cartoons, which are the great, which will give you good accent. आपने देखा होगा now, a lot of web series are available. When we start watching one web series, we start developing the same accent. फिर वो चाहे British movie देखें, American देखें, Indian देखें, we develop that accent. When we were born, we were not taught. We heard the language and we learned it. So listening also is very, very important. So moving on to the next slide, which is okay. The next slide says that teachers can have the group presentations, the micro sessions. This is a very, very important slide as teachers, I would say. Very, very important. Very, very important. See, being an academic coordinator, I am heading a department of 25 teachers, and I believe in giving hand-to-hand tasks to teachers. Every Friday, we have one session wherein the teachers are presenting their lessons. Teachers are presenting their lectures to all other team members. And unknowingly, we try to get to learn something new from different pedagogies. आप सब इतने learned हैं. कभी किसी ने प्रेजेंट किया, कभी किसी ने प्रेजेंट किया. सपोज पॉलिटिकल साइंस के 4 फैकल्टी मेंबर्स हैं, चारों एक एक लेसन प्रेजेंट करो. इंजीनियरिंग के 4 लेक्चरर्स हैं, चारों एक एक करो. So when you will be explaining, when you will be teaching your teammates, you will bring in some good results. You will get probably different ideas. You will get confidence. Before delivering it to the students, because they are higher education students, बड़े बच्चे हैं, so I'm sure बहुत अच्छे से आप लोग करते हैं. I'm really very sure. But क्या हर्ज है अगर एक बार प्रैक्टिस हो जाए तो? क्या हर्ज? महीने में एक बार कर लीजिए आप प्रैक्टिस. आप ही का अच्छा है. कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. बच्चों को पढ़ाने की कुछ नई टेक्निक मिल जाएगी. कुछ इनोवेशन पता चल जाएगी. राइट? Okay, so group presentation plus team task. I always believe ऐसे task जरूर होने चाहिए teams के अंदर भी, आपस में. I would request Dr. Bedkar and other team management committee members to organize such games for teachers, for faculty members to develop their critical thinking, problem solving. हम चाहते हैं हमारा बच्चा give up ना करे. मैं भी चाहती हूँ मेरा बच्चा teenager है, वो बिल्कुल give up ना करे. बट उसके लिए मैं क्या करूं? उसके लिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम दूं या थाली में खाना लगाकर दे दूं, लो बेटा खा लो. थोड़ी दिक्कत तो आने दें. When we are not around, our children should be able to deal with the unprecedented situation like COVID. थोड़ी दिक्कत तो आने दें अपने बच्चे को. क्रिटिकली वो थिंक करें, क्रिटिकली एनालाइज करें, क्रिटिकली सोचें हर चीज को और प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करें. किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के पेपर होते हैं, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के पेपर होते हैं. आपके यूपीएससी में भी एथिक्स और इंटेग्रिटी के पेपर होते हैं, उसमें क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. तो थोड़ा ऐसी गेम्स हम करें जिसमें क्रिटिकली थिंक करें. ऐसे नहीं ऐसे. अच्छा ऐसे नहीं ऐसे. क्रिटिकली एग्जामिन. आप लोग अपने कॉलेज में भी बनाते हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर, उसमें आप देते हैं क्रिटिकली एग्जामिन. आप भी करिए. That will give you different perspective. And my last would be reflection. Reflection. This is really very important. Very, very important. Reflective learning opportunities. आप लोग भी करिए, आपके बच्चों को भी कराइए. Why? एक आपने वर्कशॉप कराई, ठीक है? Abhi to we are not physically meeting. So otherwise what I do is after the workshop, I ask my team members to write the reflection. What all you have understood. They all come up with different ideas. Okay, ma'am, we should do this. We should do that. We can do this. We have to get this. So all the insight. So that reflective board should be prepared. अपना, आपका खुद का. कि आज मैंने ये group presentation ली, इसके ये points हैं. I have to do something. I have to, this is the reflection. Okay, you will be filling up the feedback form. I'll be seeing that. So that reflection is very, very important. Now, I would want you all to come up with different ideas. This is what I have prepared for all the learned people like you. Reflective. any question, anything you want to have, you want to share, you can come up with different ideas.